Can't believe it. He should have really called aggressively. Ajmal there bailing out of the attempt. And then quarrelling with Shoaib Malik. Unbelievable. They really called aggressively. Ajmal there bailing out of the attempt.
A Trevor Chappell impersonation to bring the house down here at this tour opener. The stage is made for Billy Bowden. It has been that sort of night. Nearly as famous as many years ago with a smile.
This is going to be a Spettague from Phil Simmons. One bounce, was it? No, 6. It's been signalled.
Well, if there ever was a gift, this was it.
With a black cap.
There's Yvonne. Hey Yvonne, give us a wave.
Yvonne. Yeah, she's talking footy.
Oh!
Yvonne.
Yeah, she's talking footy.
This was amazing. This is like the front line in a battlefield. Haven't seen something like this. This is hilarious, man. He won't think it's hilarious. The sound, I've got to say, I mean, Cramp is not funny. I mean, at least these guys are laughing with it. Didn't look like that he hit the thigh pad this time. It was pretty sure that he got the under edge this time, but denied it once again by Simon Fofo. Oops! Oops! Well, he's rubbing his head. He threw the ball up in the air and came down straight onto his head.
So much happened at that moment when
अंपायर एक फील्डर को समझा रहा है कि मेरे ज़हन च भी नहीं सी कि टेंडुलकर लागे आगे मैंने डरा देगा। नाजरीन, अंपायर बहुत ही जबरदस्त तरीके नाल डिगिया है। स्कोर पूरा करदे होए टेंडुलकर ने अंपायर नु कहा कि जिन आ गई ते अंपायर सुनदे ही छप्पड़ पापा हो गया। जिन ते नहीं आया पर अंपायर नु गुस्सा बहुत आया। उठदे ही अंपायर ने वेस्ट इंडीज के खिलाड़ियों नु कहा इहदे किते भी गेंद मार दे आउट ते मैं ही देना। टेंडुलकर दा इशारा कि मैं कल्ले कल्ले नु वेख लांगा। कैमरामैन वेख लो नाजरीन, लगदा बस दे हारन ला के फिट कीते होए ने। बॉलर का इशारा कि सारे इकट्ठे हो जाओ, अंपायर साडे नाल रलिया पिया ते ओदी बेइज्जती दा बदला हुण असीं लैणा, क्योंकि वो 60 साल का शुगर का मरीज बेचारा घरों बच्चों लिए रोटी कमान आया, कोई धक्के खान नहीं आया। टेंडुलकर परेशान कि मेरी मौत लगता करीब है। बॉलर ने नो बॉल कराया ते कैच। दूसरे अंपायर ने रफड़ पा लिया कि ज्यादती है, नो बॉल सी। पहले तो ओदे कोल धक्के खादे मामा, हुण तो ओदे कोल बल्ले खाने हैं।
Opportunities run Dwayne Smith out. Right now, there's going to be an overthrow. That's fielding lapse number 1. There it is. Now, Suman says no. And there he is. He misses it once. Now he's already broken the stump. So the fielder coming in has now got to pull the stump out. And it goes between his legs. This is a serious international level cricket match, guys. Can you believe all that?
We have a new star of the show at Newlands.
Well, now who's going to take that out?
Dog can cause this kind of uproar. I can imagine what happens when the boys start hitting the ball out the ground.
Now Tony, he has a few dogs. He won't be worried about that.
He's examining a few fielding positions. He thinks mid-on, wideish mid-on is the place to be.
And Peterson taking control of it, and Billy goes wide. Oh, have a look at Billy. Oh, that got the crowd going.